Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Culture Carton for December. This is a monthly men's subscription box. They have a blend. It's a book and men's essential lifestyle items. This is their standard box. It's $45 plus shipping each month. With code TREE, T-R-E-E, you'll get 20% off your first box. You can also opt for just the lifestyle items for $35 or just the book for $16. I will link down below to my full review. I'll also link to Culture Carton, and I'll put that coupon down there. I did get halfway through this video already, and then my phone just decided it was going to be weird and do something crazy. So I'm kind of angry, and we're starting again. I accidentally unboxed this from the bottom, so we're kind of doing this in reverse order. So this is the Camus box, because this is The Stranger by Albert Camus. This is apparently a French novel, and it's translated from the French by Matthew Ward. So Albert Camus was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1957, which is probably why I have never actually read this, but I have heard of it, because I don't think prior it was not translated into English or something along those lines. It is by no means like a, chronicle or an epic saga, but it looks like something that would be great to just, take up time in your life. I don't know what the book's about though, so we will find out. Next we have, also, you guys can follow me on Goodreads. I have like a very active Goodreads account if you have one. This is from Fiante. This is really exciting, actually. These are leather cord holders. You can use this for headphones, USB chargers, and other cables. I actually need some of these for my speaker wires. But look at how cool these, like, what a great, like, accent these are. I'm doing that, I told you guys I'm doing that Marie Kondo, organizing my life, and something like this is, like, really nice to have, because they're, like, not only are they nice, they're, like, useful, but they're, like, cool looking. And then, along with that, also from Fiante is this leather key holder. This is for the square. I don't have a square key fob, but this is great if you do. It's a magnetic closure, holds 2 to 4 keys, key ring for car key, minimalist design. I think it's neat. A great gift, too. All right, here's where I messed up before. All right, so these are Blender sunglasses. I've received Blenders before. They're very nice men's sunglasses. So we're gonna, and I'm guessing this is gonna be like our big ticket item because these are kind of pricey. I'm gonna pause. All right, so as you can see, this is a standard black, like a plastic frame. Almost reminds you of like a Ray-Ban. They always have their own like little carrying case. And then the nice thing about this box is that they give you a full breakdown of your prices. So this month's box is set to make you stand out during the bleak winter months. Avoid being blinded by the snow and sun with a sharp pair of polarized sunglasses by Blender's Eyewear. Keep your cords organized with a 3-pack of leather cord holders from Fiante. Also from Fiante is a leather key holder. This small change to your everyday carry will make a big stylish difference. With these 3 items, you'll be all set to get through the winter looking good. The Stranger is one of the best from Nobel Prize-winning author and philosopher Albert Camus. The novel explores the themes of absurdism and existentialism that Camus was famous for. It's a quick read that will stay with you for a long time. This will be a great addition to your growing library. The book is $14. The eyewear is $40, so that's almost the price of this box. The leather cord holders are $30, and then the leather key holder is also $30. So the total value of this box is $114, which I think is great. So just to reiterate, you get the leather key ring, the leather cord holders, your book, and your eyewear. That's a pretty sweet deal if you ask me. So let me know what you think of this box, if you like it, if you don't like it, if you love it, if you want to gift it to somebody. And then I will link down below to my full review and also to Culture Carton so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.